There we see the skill from Rodriguez. And he manages to win the rally as well.
First game to Rodriguez.
So Grant just resetting himself. Got to concentrate furiously at the back end of this. He has. Poor service, Grant, quick attack.
10-5, game ball.
So the left-hander from London with 5 game balls. Oh, this is brilliant movement. He's managed to, oh, this is...
Wow, what a rally between these two.
Oh, this is brilliant.
Oh! He's romped it home.
Absolute carnage there, and that has woken everyone up. Ollie Toomanins off his chair. Adrian Grant charging around
Scores 1 game all.
like a young schoolboy, getting balls back. Not bad for somebody that's 34 years of age. Very, very soon. And there's the kill, the forehand. A wry smile from Rodriguez. He would have enjoyed that rally, although he lost.
Rodriguez got so high up the court, but it didn't matter.
No, it was good improvisation, thundering it past Adrian Grant. Well, if he gets away with this rally, he's been very lucky, Grant, I have to say. And he does. That was very, very lucky, really, from Adrian Grant. Rodriguez close to getting a stroke, but playing the ball.
What's aggressive hitting from Grant, but it's actually giving him a very good position in front of Rodriguez on the court. Oh, it's the error from Grant.
The unforced error.
Such a good rally from the Englishman.
Grant bent over double there. Very frustrating. So the first result of this first round, the Canary Wharf Squash Classic. Rodriguez, the number 8 seed, books himself into the quarterfinals, overcoming Adrian Grant of England. 11-7, 5-11, 11-5, 7-11, 11-8, 3 games to 2. Well, this is getting very interesting now. Darwish hitting his corners a lot better. And there's the shutout. And the unforced error. So Maxley gets away with a Darwish comeback.
Lee leads by 1-0.
This is good smooth control here from Darwish.
He's really using this disguise on his shots as well to great effect.
And he's lost the rally out of nowhere, really. There's one poor shot selection from Kareem Darwish, and Maxley pouncing upon it. It's the most emotion I've ever seen from this man.
Maxley was all over that. That was absolutely fantastic, the way he capitalised on that, as you say, that one mistake. Killed it.
So the confidence brewing again. Second game ball opportunity for Maxley in this tie-break. Oh, he's played the... Oh, that's immaculate. Immaculate finish by the Hong Kong number 1. Darwish possibly starting to feel the effects physically, and that's better from Maxley. So the service has to be very good here from Maxley. Can't put it on the volley of Darwish directly. It's got to go at the body or into the sidewall. Another match ball, losing count now. And he's got it. Maxley, deservedly so. It's a big win for Hong Kong number 1. He is the qualifier. He's upset the number 4 seed this Canary Wharf Squash Classic. 48 minutes of very entertaining squash. Maxley, the qualifier from Hong Kong, causing a massive upset, taking out Kareem Darwish, the number 4 seed. 11-8, 13-11, 19-17. 3 games to love.